am at the museum. I am at the museum. Path al-Haya. I am at the museum.
I am at the market. Malt the mart harket. I am at the market.
I am at the airport. I am at the airport.
I am at the office. I am at the office.
I am at the library. I am at the library. I am in the swimming pool. I am in the swimming pool.
I am at the office. I am at the office.
I am at the library. I am at the library. I am on the road. I am on the road. I am on the road. I am on the road.
I'm in the queue. Next customer, please. Here are my groceries.
I am on the balcony. I am on the balcony.
I am in the countryside. I am in the countryside.
I am on the roof. I am on the roof.
I am in the village. I am in the village.
I am at the front door. I am at the front door. I am at the front door.
I am at the station. I at the station. I am at the station.
I am in the classroom. I am in the plane. I am in the classroom. I am in the taxi. I am in the taxi.
I am at the corner. I am at the corner.
I am in the sky. I am in the sky. I am on the boat.
I am at the cinema.
I am at the post office. I am at the post office.
I am on the farm. I am on the phone.
I am under the table. I am under the table.
I am near the picture. I am near the picture.
I am holding my bag. I am holding my bag.
I am at the playground. I am at the playground.
I am in a meeting. I am in a meeting.
I am at the bookshelf. I am at the bookshelf.
I am on the train. I am on the train.
I am at the gym. I am at the gym.
I am in bed. I am in bed. I am in the shower. I am in the shower. I am in the garden. I am in the garden.
I am in my room.
I am near the tree. I am near the tree. I am at the beach. I am at the beach.
Great job! Thank you for practicing English with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!